Who are the top 10 Olympians of Somali descent? Part 1. Number 10. Ibrahim Mohammed Aden, a middle distance rep for Somalia at the 1996 Olympics and then the US in Sydney. Whilst he didn't reach the finals, he finished 26th in the first round in Australia, cementing him on our list. Number 9. Ibrahim Okash Omar. He represented Somalia in 2 Olympics, including reaching the semi-finals in 1984. Whilst he didn't medal, he flew the flag high on the global stage. Number 8. Hassan Mead. This Somali-American distance runner made it to the 2016 Rio Olympics, with the NCAA champ finishing 11th overall. Number 7. Abdihakam Abdiarham, a 5-time Olympian for Team USA in long distance. His best finish came in the year 2000 in Sydney, where he took 10th place overall. Number 6. Abdi Bilay, the former 1,500-meter world champion, was ranked first in the world at the middle distance in 1989. Injuries held him back at the Olympics, but legend status for Somalia is locked. He competed in 2 Olympics in 1984 and 1996, finishing 6th in the latter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for part 2.